Alright guys, if you just started, well, try to start your car and you guys got a message, it's no longer popping up for me, but it said something about your steering wheel, the drive that's not working, got an error there. Don't worry about it. It's most likely not that. It's a battery thing. And you guys might see these flashing things after a while. That's because the battery's dead. So you're gonna have to get a boost. Now you can call roadside assistance for that, or get a friend that has cables come with your car. And you guys can definitely boost up your car. And if it's been left in the cold too long, that can happen. But usually when the warranty's out, these batteries no longer hold their charge. So that's why you're having these issues. Anyways, as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.